Conduction initiates within layer systems as directed force travels through charge paths under pressure. Boundaries aligned through guided transmission systems organized under imposed hierarchy. No delay, no delay permitted. Sequence transfer cycle see the grade under continuous current flow. Motion channels through confined routes out to stabilizes with this conduction cycles. Hierarchy formed through calculated transfer logic. Every U responds to imposed directive. No deviation tolerated within defined zone. Structure intensifies, persists, mimic conduction. Dominance sustains continuous operational.
Alignment under energy.
Transfer enterprise through charge routes, force and direction, precisely pressure direction. No delay interruption. Transfer cycles, pathways lie under enforced directive. Transfer enterprise through charge routes, force and direction, precisely pressure direction. Alternative flow, highly loving force, giving just force and the reinforced the record defines. The record defines.
Jumpers, though doctors, dominant sex, though cataracts and border circulates within stand. I just see oils operate under continuous fertilize. Hierarchies within.
Constant pressure, we control pathways. Conduction extends through sustained enforcement. Every process aligns in portion or fracture. Interrupts operational consistency. System expand under continuous directional force within defined zones. Authority maintains strict dominance through regulated execution.
Managing and a force to control. Commands move through conductors' dominance. Expands through guided routes. Directive travels within walls. Conduction power circulates within.
To define. To define.
Commands move through conductors' dominance. Expands through guided routes. Directive travels within walls. Conduction power occurrency.
Timber to define. Timber to define.
Disturbance initiates within rail circuits as alert force propagates through link paths. Understated pressure boundaries aligned through reactive distribution systems organized under volatile hierarchy. No delay permitted, sequence accelerates through propagation cycles. Layer processes integrate under continuous cellular flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output destabilizes within structured expansion cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated response logic. Every unit responds to imposed alert. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic activation. Dominance sustained. Continuous operational alignment under expanding circuit alert control. Propagation intensifies through link routes. Force aligned direction rapidly. Pressure drives. Continuous alert expansion. No delay. Iterates propagation at the waist like under reinforced reaction. Loads under reinforced reactions. Under reinforced reaction. Overlay. Interlies. Progression. Through circulators. Force trade auto control plans. Expands through connected routes, alert expansion, Surge emerges with and lay our rails as intensified current drives through reduced demand channels under sun tame pressure boundaries aligned through controlled overload systems organized under I laid up permitted sequence surge cycles and degrade under continuous current flow motion channels through confined routes output stabilizes within structures circles hierarchy forms through calculated overload logic every unit responds to imposed rights no deviation tolerated within defined zone structure intensifies through systemic escalation dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under amplified nocturnal current control surge intensifies through elevated routes force lasting pressure stress to pressure downwardly interrupts operating into where surge intensifies through elevated routes force lasting pressure stress to pathways operating forced overload sequence holds under it
Late hour coming surge into full surging. Late hour coming surge into full surging. Federated pathways motion need full surge. Power circulates it when the gap of weight on the way. Several nodes to control the red and trauma post surge.
sustain surge maintains order to reinforce escalation curse no disruption alter sequence output stabilizes through controlled pathways surge x3 reinforce every process centric extends every process no fraction interrupts operational consistency system expand under
Continuous directional force within defines zone authority maintains your dominance through regulated execution command pressure restoration ace pathways systemates pathways stalinization into fixed pathways system links pathways system links pathways exponential locks into fixed pathways stop a raid lane rapid wayne double brain sub-remote sequence order rate and tolerable surge
surge intensifies